Alright, so this is our new mailbox. How hard was this to install?
Pretty easy.
What did you have to do?
So I just took off the cross post and cut it where the post crossed. Slid this down over, slid this down over on top, and that's it. And then screwed it in like we're getting ready to do. And then I screwed it in. Set it in place. Low or high?
Oh, that's fine. It's humid out here. There's your lake, everybody. You see the lake down there? Also some lake across the street because it kind of loops around. I don't know if you can see it or there or not. Alright, so these are the flowers we're putting in there. They're that's what they are. I don't know what they are. Monrovia. Alright. Have to lift them up a little. Maybe I have to
Put some dirt in there.
put something underneath them. Just to like give them a little elevation. Put a little block or something under them.
Alright. So I use my handy dandy Milwaukee impact driver set. I'm gonna buy me some impact drill bits. I got a few, but I never have the right size, so I gotta buy a set for my impact driver.
Cool. Alright. Thank y'all for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed and you want to. And we'll catch you on the next video. Bye now.